Hi guys, it's your Guitar Goomba Lucky here again. Today, you'll notice our footage is a little bit different because instead of shooting on one of my large cameras, I'm shooting on a GoPro. The reason for that is because I have some special work that I'm doing today, and we'll be using the blast cabinet again. Today, we're putting our custom logo on the neck plate. We'll be using sandblasting to do that, or in this case, really, 80 grit glass bead at about 60 psi. Now, because the part that's going to be blasted includes where the screws go, I've put my screws into a piece of cardboard so that I can blast the heads. That way, we'll have the same effect all the way around. So, this should be a relatively quick video. Let's get started. Alright, now I've got my materials in my blast cabinet and my latches are locked. Now, because I don't want to blast completely through the finish and down to the base copper like I did on the other hardware parts, I want to hold my gun and my material about as far away as I can until I get a feeling for how it's going to look. Now, you'll probably hear the compressor kick on in the background, just deal. Now, as you can see, what I'm after is just a like a matte finish on the material. So I need to get a little bit closer than I was. There's the compressor. And there we go. Okay, let's open up the cabinet and see what we got. Pretty much as expected from how thin the chrome is, we did start to break through it a little bit, even taking care not to. But I was able to make it look like a corona around the logo, so I think that'll be a cool effect. And then of course we did the heads of our screws. Now, we want to pull our logo off, unmask our logo there. And how we'll do that is simply peel off the sticker. Now, I made this sticker using my vinyl cutter, also known as a plotter. And you can use a pick for this. And I probably picked a really bad day to cut my fingernails really short, but that's fine. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can actually just use tape and an X-Acto knife and cut your own logo. It's really not that complicated. Now, since I have the vinyl cutter, I decided to go ahead and use it. And I think this came out pretty nice. Grab a rag, wipe this off a bit. Give the shiny bits a bit of a buff. And there we go. Let's get in close on that. Look at that. Would you just look at it? I think that came out really nice. And then of course, we have our screw heads, which, are going to go really well with our new design there. So that's it for today. Remember, if you want to win the guitar, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed, like the video, and leave a comment below. Liking the video is not strictly required for an entry into winning the guitar, but I would appreciate if you liked the video because YouTube uses that to figure out how much my viewers are engaged with the content. And I like to think you guys are pretty good about that. So, like, comment, subscribe. Not necessarily in that order. Now, complete rules for the giveaway are in the description of the video. So, if you aren't already, subscribe to the channel. Check out the first video in the series, which will be over here. And the most recent video from the series will be right down there. So, till next time, this is your Guitar Goomba Lucky saying, keep rocking.